The enigmatic sea wolf, master of land and sea in the Pacific Northwest. Stretching along the mist-shrouded coasts of the Pacific Northwest, from the rugged shores of British Columbia to the remote islands of southern Alaska, lives a truly unique and captivating creature known as the sea wolf. Unlike any other gray wolf subspecies, the sea wolf has mastered a rare way of life, straddling the boundary between forest and ocean, land and water. This fascinating animal embodies nature's ability to adapt and thrive in the most challenging environments. A specialized coastal predator. The sea wolf, Canis lupus lagoni, is smaller and more slender than its inland gray wolf relatives, with a body perfectly shaped for the watery, rocky, and forested coastal terrain it calls home. Its fur is dense and oily, providing insulation against the cold Pacific rains and icy ocean waves. The wolf's paws show subtle webbing between their toes, a natural adaptation that enhances their swimming prowess. These wolves are excellent swimmers, capable of diving beneath the surface to catch fish or traverse between islands and coastal inlets. The environment the sea wolf inhabits is unlike the open plains or dense inland forests that other wolves occupy. Instead, it roams a complex mosaic of rugged coastlines, dense temperate rainforests, and intertidal zones. The Pacific Northwest's climate is marked by heavy rainfall, mild temperatures, and the presence of ancient forests dominated by towering Sitka spruce, western hemlock, and red cedar trees. This rich, biodiverse habitat supports a wide variety of prey species, many of which are marine or semi-marine. Diet: the ocean's bounty. What truly sets the sea wolf apart from other wolves is its diet. Unlike typical wolves, which hunt land mammals like deer, elk, or moose, sea wolves rely heavily on marine resources. Salmon are the cornerstone of their diet. Every year, salmon undertake their remarkable migration from the ocean back to freshwater streams to spawn. This seasonal migration provides the wolves with a plentiful and reliable food source. Sea wolves are expert hunters and scavengers of salmon. They often wait patiently by river mouths or rocky tidal pools, striking at salmon as they leap or swim upstream. Intriguingly, sea wolves tend to eat only the heads of salmon, a behavior thought to maximize their energy intake, as the head contains fatty tissues rich in calories essential for survival during the harsh winter months. This selective feeding may also reduce exposure to parasites and toxins that accumulate in the fish's body. Beyond salmon, sea wolves are opportunistic feeders. They prey on crabs, which they skillfully extract from crevices along tide pools, as well as seabirds and their eggs, and even young seal pups that rest vulnerably on isolated beaches. Their ability to exploit both terrestrial and marine prey showcases their remarkable adaptability and intelligence. Social structure and territory. Sea wolves form smaller packs than their inland counterparts, typically consisting of a breeding pair and a few offspring. The pack structure is less rigidly hierarchical but deeply cooperative. These packs defend coastal territories that may span dozens of kilometers of shoreline and include multiple islands. Territorial boundaries are marked through scent marking and vocalizations, such as howls and barks that echo through the misty forest. The wolf's territory is vital for securing access to critical feeding grounds, especially during salmon runs. Seasonal shifts force the packs to move between islands and coastal inlets, following the ebb and flow of food availability. This nomadic lifestyle demands strong bonds and communication within the pack, ensuring coordinated hunting and survival strategies. Masterful swimmers and hunters. The sea wolf's aquatic skills are extraordinary. Unlike most wolf populations, sea wolves are often observed swimming between islands, sometimes covering distances of several kilometers. They can dive beneath the water's surface to catch fish, using stealth and patience. Observations have documented these wolves lurking beneath kelp beds or near rocky reefs, waiting silently before lunging to seize their prey. This ability to hunt underwater not only expands their food options but also demonstrates a rare behavioral adaptation among terrestrial carnivores. Their webbed paws, streamlined body shape, and insulating fur all contribute to making them formidable coastal predators. Raising the next generation. The survival of sea wolf pups depends heavily on early training in their unique environment. Parents introduce their young to swimming and hunting skills from an early age. Pups learn to navigate slippery rocks, dive into shallow pools, and stalk fish, developing a combination of land-based and aquatic skills vital for their future survival. This dual environment presents challenges that require remarkable resilience and learning. The wolves must contend with shifting tides, unpredictable weather, and the presence of larger predators such as bears and eagles. Pups are nurtured not only physically but also taught social skills necessary to integrate into the pack and cooperate effectively during hunts. Ecological importance. Sea wolves play an essential role in the coastal ecosystem. By preying on salmon and other marine species, they help regulate population dynamics, contributing to ecological balance. The remains of their kills fertilize the forest floor, enriching the soil with marine-derived nutrients that promote plant growth. This nutrient transfer from ocean to forest is a critical component of coastal ecology, supporting diverse plant and animal communities. Their presence also influences the behavior of prey species, creating a complex web of interactions that sustains the health and diversity of the ecosystem. As apex predators, sea wolves are vital indicators of the coastal environment's overall health. Conservation challenges. Despite their remarkable adaptations, sea wolves face significant threats. Habitat fragmentation caused by logging, urban development, and industrial activities reduces their range and isolates populations. Changes in ocean temperatures and overfishing impact salmon runs, directly threatening the wolves' primary food source. Climate change further complicates this fragile balance by altering precipitation patterns and sea levels, affecting both forest habitats and marine ecosystems. Human-wolf conflicts, though less common than with inland wolves, still occur, especially when wolves come into contact with fisheries or settlements. Conservation efforts are underway to protect sea wolves and their habitats. Scientists conduct ongoing research to understand their population dynamics, behavior, and ecological roles. Efforts to preserve critical habitats, restore salmon populations, and implement sustainable fisheries management are vital components of these conservation strategies. A symbol of coastal wilderness. The sea wolf stands as a powerful symbol of the wild Pacific Northwest coast, a living testament to nature's resilience and complexity. It embodies the intimate connection between land and sea, predator and prey, survival and adaptation. Their story invites us to appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life in these rich coastal ecosystems and to recognize our role in safeguarding this extraordinary natural heritage. In a world facing rapid environmental change, the sea wolf reminds us that survival requires not only strength but also flexibility, cooperation, and harmony with nature. Protecting these unique wolves and the ecosystems they depend on ensures that the wild spirit of the Pacific Northwest endures for generations to come.